Another big story we're following tonight. Baltimore County has just unveiled a portal where healthcare providers can actually sign up and then get details about when they will be able to get that vaccine. WJZ is live outside of the state fairgrounds for us tonight. And Avajoy Burnett tells us this comes after dentists expressed concerns about being left behind. Avajoy.
Rick, good evening to you. Right now what we're seeing is a shift in strategy to get that vaccine out to as many people as possible, as soon as possible. And here in Baltimore County, many folks are showing up at the fairgrounds to get that first dose of the vaccine, but you have to be in phase 1A. Dentists were really concerned that they were not getting guidance on when they could get that vaccine. So today, the county unveiled a portal to answer those questions.
Baltimore County's health officer says his department has gotten more than 10,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. Now it's all about getting the shots to people who need it.
We have all those clinics prepared, and that was another thing. We couldn't start providing people with appointments until we actually got vaccine.
The state and local health departments have been criticized for not releasing details on which healthcare workers would actually be able to get the vaccine first.
Dentists have been under a lot of stress for a very long time now. We're talking about 10 months into this.
Dr. Gary Bauman said there was no plan for dentists, even though they face high exposure risks every time they take a patient. An online petition demanded immediate COVID-19 vaccination for dentists and their staff here in Maryland. More than 700 people signed it. Today, he was pleased to find out that Baltimore County now has a portal where healthcare workers can get details about when they will be able to get the vaccine.
None of us were climbing over someone else who deserved to be in line before us. We just wanted to know that there was someone who's looking after us.
Dr. Brand says the goal is to administer the vaccines as soon as possible.
We're going to actually be vaccinating all of our health care providers. All I ask is the fact that people have patience as it relates to that, and we will get to everyone sooner rather than later.
And this site right here is being run by the health department here in Baltimore County. We must remind you that it's not open to the general public. If you're not in that phase 1A phase, you may show up here and not be able to get that vaccine. So keep that in mind before you show up at a facility like this at the fairgrounds. Live at 6, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.